This is a body awareness exercise designed to help you understand and name the sensations in your body and to practice the witness perspective where you can watch and be with whatever your experience actually is. Begin by finding a comfortable position for your body and starting to find a frame of mind where you can just watch and notice and be with whatever you find without needing to react to it. Begin first by looking for sensations in the body that feel comfortable to you. You might find a part of the body that feels calm or peaceful. It might feel strong or powerful. Just noticing where in your body you have an experience that feels comfortable in this moment. Just gently placing your attention on this part of the body. It might be in your legs, in your arms, in your core. Wherever it is that's feeling comfortable, just letting your attention gently rest on that part of the body. And from this place in you that can just watch and be with whatever's happening, see if you can just notice some of the sensations that are there in the body that feel comfortable to you. You might notice this part of the body feels calm or peaceful, relaxed or spacious. Or you might notice it feels energized, fluttery, tingling, or warm. Or whatever words you would use to describe the actual experience that's happening in the part of your body that feels comfortable. Taking a few moments just to observe and feel this part of the body without trying to change anything about the way it is, just accompanying it for several breaths. Then coming back to the breath in general as a neutral place, and beginning then to look for a part of the body that's feeling uncomfortable in this moment. It might feel tight or painful or pinched, too hot or too cold. Just noticing something in the body right now that feels uncomfortable to you. And letting your attention rest in that place of discomfort, not trying to push anything away, not trying to change anything, just being with it as it is. And beginning to put some words to the experience of discomfort in this part of the body. It may feel tense or tight or blocked. It may feel stinging, sharp, burning, or cold. Whatever the sensations are, just finding that place in you where you can watch and be with them without needing anything to be any different than it is. Coming back to the breath in general as a neutral place, and beginning to look for a third experience in the body. Looking for something that feels neutral, neither comfortable nor uncomfortable. It might be a place in the body that feels quiet or blank or numb, just seeing whatever comes to mind for you as you scan the body for an experience of neutral. And then just resting your attention on this place that feels neutral to you. Just resting your awareness in the sensations and seeing if you can put some words to describe what it actually feels like. It may be quiet or wooden or dull, disconnected or hollow. Whatever the experience of neutral is for you right now, just being with it, watching it, and making space for it to be exactly as it is. Beginning to come back to the breath as a neutral place, Taking a few breaths, just noticing how the body is moved, how the body is breathed. And then moving towards the final step of this process, seeing if you can zoom your attention out, making it broader and wider and deeper. And seeing if all three places that you've identified in your body can fit in your awareness at once. Making room for the comfortable, the uncomfortable, and the neutral. Letting them all be true without getting stuck in any one of them, without clinging to any of them, without pushing any of them away, without making any of them right or wrong. Just letting your attention be wide enough to fit all of these experiences in, as well as any other experience that you're noticing in the body. Continuing to practice in this way for several more breaths. If your awareness, for whatever reason, will not fit all of these experiences in at once, then you can go back and forth between them, or you can fit two experiences in at once. And as you continue to practice over time, you'll notice that your ability to make your attention broad and wide without getting stuck anyplace will increase. And as you're ready, beginning to come back to the breath in general as a neutral place, sending gratitude to the body for communicating with you today in this way. And setting an intention for yourself to continue to accompany the body in this kind, gentle way, no matter what experience it may be having.